AJ, welcome to another episode of Sibling Rivalry, the show, in case you don't know, where I play games with my sister.
Old video games from our childhood, retro video games, if you will. Today we're playing on the Commodore.
Yeah, but more importantly, what are we drinking?
More importantly, we're back to my favorite, the watermelon martini. Delicious, fresh, refreshing.
It's got real watermelon juice in it.
So good.
We sacrificed the watermelon to the juice gods.
And so good, so good. So
oh
good.
man, it is.
Dangerously good, guys. If you have a watermelon and you juice the whole watermelon, you'll be drinking martinis all day long, and you will be drunk. Trust me.
We try. Hey, today we're playing Commodore, and I'm sorry.
I'm not sorry. There's some fun games. We've had a couple good ones on there.
Yes, there's a lot of good games, but that doesn't mean I have to like it.
The system itself is the hardest to navigate. I'm thinking it's mostly because we've never had one.
We don't have a real Commodore.
Yeah, we're using the little mini.
The little C64.
Yeah,
It's fake keyboard and fake buttons.
Yeah, so it makes it hard to navigate.
Shitty joysticks.
Well, those are poopy remotes, no matter whether we were using the.
AJ, say something about the knob again.
Does anybody understand why that's? I mean, it's just. Is it supposed to be like an arcade where you like grabbing it and like yanking on it?
That's what people do. Yank on their knobs.
Ooh, we don't want that. We want that. Anyway. Yeah. This joystick is garbage. There's got to be.
Yes, my friends tell me that we can use a gamepad.
Can we use a Hyperkin?
Well, it doesn't have all these extra buttons on it, and so I'm leery of trying it.
Well, Space Taxi is very interesting.
Looks like we're using a cracked copy. God forbid.
Uh-oh.
We should be able to play uncracked copies. Jim, where did you download this? The dregs of the internet, I say. The dregs of the internet.
He went to the bad places.
I went to the bad places. I go to the bad, dark corners of the internet, so you don't have to.
So you can watch us be silly and goofy and get drunk and play video games.
All right. I believe we get past the screen by one of us hitting a button. Excellent.
I did it.
We are on the cheat screen, which, frankly, a lot of the crack games have, which is actually really nice. So let's go through them.
Do you wish the regular games had the cheat?
I wish Coco games had cheat screens.
Well, you program those. Why don't you program them?
I don't program all of them.
You program some.
So, do we have an extra SID? No. Or do we have that SID? No. Do we want the cab cheat? I don't know what the cab cheat is.
We don't need it.
Do we want the fuel cheat?
No, we don't.
No, we don't. CBM for level skipped. Don't know what that is.
Don't know what that is.
Watch in first?
No.
Sprite collision cheat.
Tim, just skip all the cheats.
Well, no, let's go through them.
Oh, okay.
Fuel is for free.
Yes. No, we don't want that. We don't want this game to last forever.
No, we don't. Secret menu cheat.
We don't know what that is.
1 passenger per level.
Oh.
That'll make the levels go by faster.
Yes. I kind of like that one.
Want to do that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Cab can't kill passengers. Ooh.
Oh, that would just make it longer.
Yeah.
It's already hard enough that we don't need that kind of stuff.
Clear scores, reset demo files,
start game.
Oh, I love the Commodore.
What?
That was sarcasm.
Oh. It didn't sound like it at first, so I was surprised.
I'm really good. I'm Chandler level sarcasm.
He is a liar.
All right, what am I doing?
He should be playing poker.
Nope. Space Taxi is loading.
All right.
Down for instructions? No. Fire button to begin. We're ready. We're ready, people.
Oh, am I going to hit button?
One of us.
Nope, it doesn't do it.
No, my buttons aren't working either. Try the other one. Oh, I got to get rid of the keyboard on screen. All right, AJ, what do you say we play?
All right, let's do it.
You want to play now?
Sure.
All right. So we're just going to do one player, and I'll let AJ go first.
Oh. What a gentleman.
Yeah.
I got the...
Yeah. It doesn't give an on-screen representation of which player is which, so I don't trust it.
Short and sweet. Here I go, guys. Here I go.
I guess this means I got to talk.
Yeah, I'm going to be quiet while I try to concentrate.
Hey, Alright, so she has to land near the passenger. Of course, the closer she gets, the less walking it has to do and less money she loses.
Is that true?
Yep. So this passenger wants to go to the next screen, so she has to go to the next screen by going to the up. And then it will announce where it wants to go.
Going to the beach.
Oh, let me put my microphone on. I'm sure it was close enough, but you never know. I bet it's better now.
Pad 1.
How about your microphone?
My mic's right where it should be.
All right, so the dude wants to be dropped off on pad 1 up in the Cloud City with Lando. And she's not on top of where they beam in and beam out. I mean, if they have beaming technology, why do they need taxis?
Right, exactly. I get to go up. This is weird. Oh,
it's a very narrow slot.
That's what she said.
Thank you. You're
welcome. That's what he said.
You can do it. A little to the left, a little right. Are you in?
I'm in! Whew.
Yeah, boys, that's what you don't want to hear. Are you in?
I think most of the boys probably know that. Oh, that was a hard land. And I didn't land on the guy.
You did not. So you have $21.85 so far.
Is that good?
It's money in the bank and a lot of lives left.
Okay, good. A lot of how many lives?
Where are you going?
Going up.
Are you?
Yeah.
Ooh, I think that got narrower. Floating invisible.
I know.
That's just a shitty game if
I
it
thought
does
I
that.
was in.
That's what she said.
Oh, where am I going?
Pad 1.
Oh my God, look how little it is.
It's a tiny pad. And you don't have much fuel left. And we don't know how to get more fuel. Oh, there's more fuel right there.
Where?
It's off to the right-hand side of the screen.
Thanks. So is that fuel? Do I gotta go get fuel?
Yeah, I think you do. Okay.
I have to get fuel without the guy?
I don't know. You have to get fuel when you get fuel.
Oh!
I don't know. Do you see your fuel meter?
No. Yeah. Oh, it was only half. Is this still me?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh, I gotta go pick.
You gotta pick up number 1 again. Yeah, I guess you're more than half. Oh, you didn't land on the platform. It might have been too hard, or it might have been because you were off the platform a bit.
I mean, they made these platforms teeny.
That's what she said.
Okay.
Look
at how I have to go up and around the third platform.
Yeah, I see it. It's a complicated maze game. You got your thrusters, you got your gravity.
Oh, damn. That really, like, am I still trying to get out? Oh, no.
No, you still gotta pick up the guy.
Oh, my God.
I guess he teleported to safety. Ooh, that was a hard landing.
Hard, better than dead, I guess.
Better hard than dead. Right? Am I right, boys?
Oh, man, you're bad.
taxi.
God.
Oh, she's having trouble getting up in
That
that
is so
space.
hard, Tim. That is really hard to do. I can't wait for you to try this. If you even get this far.
If I even get this far, boys.
Oh. Hey, taxi.
Taxi.
I don't want to pick up this guy. He's
Taxi, I need my ride, even though I could teleport anywhere I want.
This guy is a creeper. I don't want to pick him up.
How do you know he's? Don't cancel that guy.
What? This level.
The
is,
woman has a problem with tight spaces.
Yeah.
This is your last. This is the last man.
Okay. Well, another game I'm gonna lose, I guess. Damn it.
$35.83. Write it down, boys.
$35.83. I am not a good taxi driver.
All right, let's see how far I get to go.
Of course, this was made in 1984. That might have been a good rate. Why can't I do the Candyland every time? Hey, Target! Yes! Die, Timothy, die! You only have $8 left. Oh, you have no bucks left. Yep, yep.
Do you remember your score?
35, 34. I don't know, 35 something. 35 and some change. How about that? Pad one. Pad one.
I'm confused.
You forgot to put your landing gear out.
I put him out.
You didn't put him out in time. You didn't put him out in time. Nice! See how hard this game is?
This game's pretty hard, boys.
Oh, could I win? Could I win?
Since I have $0.
Yes!
I am not doing good.
Yes! Oh God, I'm fingers crossed. I'm like hoping. Okay, nice landing. On one of the versions, you have. Oh, nice. On one of the versions, you had to land on that umbrella. That was almost as hard as the. I don't know why, but that voice just. That. Oh! At least all my deaths were at the end.
I know what my problem is.
You've drank too much
No,
today?
I'm thinking I'm letting too. I'm getting too close to the platform when I put my landing gear out.
Yeah, because you were trying to get close.
$0.
No,
You won the first one, AJ.
First? We're already 18 minutes.
Well, that was the first round. You played once, I played once. That was round one.
Okay. Well, I won round one, guys. I won round one.
She won round one.
Did I just hit a button start?
Mm-hmm.
Morning shift. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Hey, taxi.
Hey, 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 hey.
She did it. Oh, wait, she hasn't delivered the man yet, so she hasn't made any money.
I made $9. What do you mean?
Pad 1.
I made $9, Tim. I have $9.
No, you don't have $9. You have $0.
No, look, it's on the right.
No, that's going down. That's your potential fare.
Oh, now
That's, you got $16 for that ride.
okay. Hey, a taxi. Hey, taxi.
It's getting better.
Go into the sky. A little rough. 31.
You didn't
bucks.
bounce, so I don't think it was rough at all.
Oh, okay. Got 31 bucks. Hey, taxi!
This is not going well.
Well, I get screwed up on this round. This round will kill me. Oh! Too hard.
Someone's thrusted down. That's what she said.
That's. How would you know?
It is hard.
This is
Still-
hard.
Still, you're doing pretty good.
I'm not as much as I was last time. I had 35 bucks last time. That was a bouncy ride. Really? Up, please. Don't you laugh? You didn't get this level.
I can laugh at you.
Oh, God. Up, please, he says.
Damn, that taxi crashes at the drop of a hat.
This is so hard, Timothy.
Do you know what I mean?
Oh, I am not happy. Well, I did so good at the other levels.
Well, frankly, yes, you did do good at the other levels. They start throwing you a curve and... Alright, you have a chance to get to the next screen.
Come on, come on.
You can do
Come on, you
it.
dumb taxi. Do it. That was so close!
Yeah, this game is pixel perfect.
Wow.
Wow. My turn.
31 on that one.
My turn for...
I had 31 and some change on that one.
Well, let's go up. Oh. We're
should-
nowhere near the high
We should have
score.
cleared the scores.
Yeah, we should have cleared the scores. Okay, let's see if I can do any better. 31 and some change.
I'm just going to drink because that was frustrating.
If I don't do any better this time, this is one for AJ.
Come on, guys. Fingers crossed. Kill the guy, kill the guy, kill the guy, land on the guy. Oh, good landing. Oh, that was close. I thought you were gonna biff it on that one. Pad one! Oh! Yeah!
The wrong way. I did it. Do it the wrong way.
You see, it's not so easy, is it? Don't shoot fire at that guy when you hit your thrusters out.
I don't think the fire kills him.
Okay, Tim, you got a small hole to get through.
It's just the way I like it.
Oh!
I still have no money though.
Oh, wait.
Because I killed the last guy.
Oh, really? So I'm winning. Thanks! Thanks, buddy! Hey, Dixon! I love it. I love it. It's funny, a flying taxi. It reminds me of Fifth Element.
Oh yeah.
I love that movie. I haven't seen that movie in so long.
It's always good for a rewatch.
It's a good movie. It never goes bad.
Bruce Willis.
Yes.
Chris Tucker.
Yes. All of it. There's everything good in that movie. Thanks. Oh, I think we have the same score.
Close.
Shoot, we might have to do an instant replay to find out.
God forbid somebody should write it down.
I cannot wait to see if you make it through this. If you make it through this, I will be. Yes, sucker! You won. You're
Only if I give this guy, if I land this guy. If I don't land him.
You gotta go up and around. Oh yeah. Oh, and the plant's growing. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah. You didn't get any money on that one, Tim. And now you have to get a guy on a very difficult platform. Can he climb the beanstalk? Oh!
Oh, this is hard.
Hell yeah, that one's hard. Oh, shit. Who thinks of these things? A beanstalk? Landing on a beanstalk to pick up a taxi fare. Oh. He killed the guy! He killed him! Oh, you're down to $11! I think I'm gonna win! I'm gonna win! Oh, he's on level 6 now. That one's easier to get. Oh! Shit! Oh, yeah. Is this your last one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, Tim. Biff it. Come on, biff it. I won, guys. I won. I am a gloater. I'm a gloater. We talked about that in the other episode, and I do. I can't help it.
She won one.
It feels good to win.
You know, I did get something. I got to a higher level than you did.
But I had a bigger score. I am a celebrator. See, I'm a song.
Well, congratulations, AJ. What do you rate the game?
I rate the game 5. No, I did 5 last time. 3 dragons. Are you even with us, Tim?
Oh, what? 3 dragons?
Tim was zoning out. Yes, 3 dragons. What do you rate it?
I'm just watching this game. This is nuts. I rate this game 2 huckleberries. I like it a lot.
Well, that was certainly interesting. Okay, we might have to rethink our Commodore situation.
No.
I think we should get the regular Commodore.
No.
Because then it'll be easier to play.
No Commodores in this house. Yeah, no Commodores in this house. There's no reason for a real Commodore to be in this house.
Well, this was a fun game.
I did enjoy it, and we can play it anytime we want.
That's true. All right. Anything you want to say?
Bingle, bangle, doogie, bugger. I just wanted to say it. Hey, he went the real line.
Well, should we say goodbye to our viewers?
Only if they want us to.
They probably need to get on with their Friday evening because they're watching the second this gets posted. Well, thanks again, everybody, for watching another
Damn,
Sibling
this game
Rivalry.
gets hard.
We wouldn't know. We wouldn't know.
Damn. Moving platforms? Oh my gosh. Tiny, tight spaces? No wonder we didn't get too far. Oh, gotta go through the maze to get to up? Why is he not going up?
Oh, you can land? You can intermittently land.
You can. Looks like he's trying to go for the field.
Oh, if I had known that, I would have approached that last. Oh, he's getting fuel. He's getting fuel.
I think he has to touch it.
Oh. Why are we watching this?
I don't know. All right, let's go.
Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and we appreciate you following us and your comments. We always love them.
Yep.
Have a great weekend, everybody. See you next time. Bye.